American Muslim Appreciation and Awareness Month Proclamation. The City of Dublin takes great pride in supporting religious freedoms and is strengthened by contributions of its diverse population, including American Muslims. Members of the Dublin Muslim community have advocated for equity and inclusion in education and social programs at the municipal and state levels. The City Council presents the American Muslim Appreciation and Awareness Month Proclamation in recognition of the many contributions of American Muslims in Dublin and across the nation. So we have Muslim Cultural Society of Dublin, Minara, Asif, Sobia. Would you like to give a few words?
Sure. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of the Muslim community in Dublin, I want to sincerely thank the Dublin City Council for this meaningful proclamation, recognizing and appreciating the contributions of Muslims in our beautiful city. The gesture is not just symbolic, it's powerful. It tells us that we're seen and that we're heard and that we're valued members of this diverse and vibrant city. In a time when communities can often feel isolated and misunderstood, this proclamation sends a clear message of unity, respect, and inclusion. Muslims in Dublin come from many different backgrounds, but we're united in our love for the city. We are your neighbors, your colleagues, your doctors, teachers, shopkeepers, and volunteers. We are raising families, building businesses, and giving back to the place we proudly call home. Today's recognition reminds us that diversity is not something to be tolerated, it is something to be celebrated. It enriches our lives, broadens our perspectives, and makes our city stronger. Thank you again to the City Council for your leadership, your commitment, and your recognition for the role that Muslim individuals and families play in shaping for a better Dublin for all. May this proclamation be a step forward in continued understanding and solidarity for all communities. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And we also have MCC East Bay, Dr. Jamilah. Do you want to say a few words?
Yes, if that's okay. Thank you. I'm going to piggyback off of her speech tonight, which is awesome. Thank you very much. Good evening, esteemed Mayor Hu and esteemed Dublin City Council. My name is Jamilah Friday. I'm joining you tonight as a fellow Dublin resident, a wife, a mother of 2 children in Dublin Unified, a pediatrician, and a proud member of the Muslim community here in the Tri-Valley. I'm honored to accept this proclamation in addition and the designation of the month of April as American Muslim Appreciation and Awareness Month on behalf of the Muslim residents of Dublin and the Muslim Community Center, which is located in Pleasanton. As you mentioned in reading the proclamation, Mayor Hu, we're all here tonight to witness the fact that the City of Dublin does indeed take great pride in supporting religious freedoms, as well as embracing diversity of culture and thought. This is an approach that both reflects a deeply held American value and one that contributes to the rich diversity of religions and cultures represented here in Dublin. This is the backdrop in which so many Muslim Americans have made the Tri-Valley our home. We live here, we worship here, we pour ourselves into our community here. We encourage you and invite you to come and visit the Muslim Community Center to witness this. Our community efforts include programs that build bridges through interfaith dialogue, hosting weekly food drives for all neighbors experiencing hunger, hosting blood drives, pet adoptions, and offering free COVID testing during the worst of the pandemic. Within the Muslim community, there's a strong emphasis on building family and strengthening community through offerings such as parenting workshops, providing skills for job readiness, and helping students prepare for college. All of this with the goal of building a Muslim American community that possesses a strong understanding of its civic duties and love for our neighbors. I would be remiss if I did not mention your bravery in continuing with these yearly proclamations, especially considering our current political climate. These are trying times for many people within the Muslim community and the greater Bay Area in general, who are feeling the threads of the fabric of our woven communities being unraveled. So thank you for rolling up your sleeves and working to weave that fabric back together. On behalf of MCC and Dublin residents, thank you for this proclamation and for recognizing the contributions of Muslim Americans in Dublin, the Tri-Valley, and all of California. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Jamilah. And I also have the honor to attend MCC meetings and other events you have invited me. And we also want to invite everybody to come over, including the representatives from CAIR, CAIR, and to present this proclamation to you. You want to all come over? Just come close to us. And this proclamation is for you, MCC first. And I have this one for Muslim Cultural Society. This is for you. Yeah. And everybody can just move here. We can have a photo together.